we'll be talking about the NGL app and how to see who sent you messages. So if we should launch the NGL application here, and you would already have it connected with your Instagram account, and as you can see here I have quite a few messages. So if you should try to click on the message and click on see who sent, it will ask you to unlock for $5.99 per week on an Android device and $10.99 per week on an iOS device. So let's click on share, click on next step, and this will definitely launch Instagram. So this will launch Instagram and it will automatically be on your story post. You could easily change the background and so on. So what I'd suggest is you could actually use a URL shortener and shrink the URL for this. So if you reduce the URL and match it to the timestamp which a person sends you a link or a question, you basically have the option of seeing the location of that person, seeing which device that person is using, and you'd be able to see the definite time that that person clicked on it. So if you incorporate URL shortening techniques with this, I won't show it because of YouTube's policy. I can't really show the steps as to how about shortening URL, but you can definitely do some research. You can get bit.ly links, you can use Google so to shorten the URLs for the ngl.link. This will provide you with the option to see exactly where each person clicks on the link from, the device they are using. Now, the only aspect of this is that you'd be able to time this to the moment you receive the message. So you'd have to be keen on this application. You'd have to watch the notifications carefully to see exactly when someone sent you a message. So give this option a try. Use the shortening of the URL and let me know if it worked for you. I've tried it out and it works. Well, that is when I don't have much followers, but give it a try. Let me know if it worked for you. There are other methods, but those aren't really things that I can actually post on Instagram or on YouTube. Those videos would definitely get flagged, so I can't really show those methods, but give this one a try. This is like the closest I've gotten. I'm still working on methods to actually see who sent messages, but that is the closest I've gotten so far. So just give it a try. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.